What is movement-based mindfulness?
Movement-based mindfulness combines physical activities like yoga, Tai Chi, or mindful walking with focused awareness on the present moment. Unlike seated meditation, these practices use gentle motion and breath to engage both mind and body. They promote relaxation, self-awareness, and mental clarity, making mindfulness more accessible for many people.
How these practices work in the brain.
Research shows that yoga, Tai Chi, and similar activities increase activity in brain regions involved in attention, emotion regulation, and body awareness. Regular practice helps shrink areas like the amygdala, which manages stress responses, while boosting networks tied to calm and focus. This means your brain becomes better equipped to handle daily stressors.
Reducing stress through movement.
Studies reveal that movement-based mindfulness lowers levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Gentle motion paired with conscious breathing activates the body's relaxation response, slowing the heart rate and easing tension. Over time, practitioners report feeling less anxious, more resilient, and better able to manage everyday challenges.
The unique benefits of yoga, Tai Chi, and mindful walking.
Yoga improves flexibility and balance while calming the mind. Tai Chi focuses on slow, deliberate movements, helping with coordination and mental focus. Mindful walking blends physical activity with purposeful attention to each step and sensation. All three promote better mood, sleep, and overall well-being, supported by a growing body of scientific evidence.
Getting started with movement-based mindfulness.
You don't need any special equipment to begin. Start with a few minutes of gentle stretching, a guided Tai Chi video, or a walk where you pay close attention to each step and breath. Consistency matters more than intensity. Over time, you may notice improved mood, sharper focus, and a calmer, more balanced mind.